Class 9th, Subject English, Chapter 3.4 Think Before You Speak. English Workshop. Question 1. The same word can be used as a noun in some sentences and as a verb in other. For example, 1. Many are the empty remarks. Noun. 2. A wise man once remarked. Verb. Make two sentences of your own with each of the word given below, using the same word as a noun in one and as a verb in another. Change, show, through, return, benefit. Answer: change. 1. He experienced a big change in his life. Noun. 2. She changed her mind and joined them. Verb. Show. 1. The young boy hosted the last television show. Noun. 2. They showed us the way to the post office. Verb. Throw. 1. The wicket-keeper could not catch the throw properly. Noun. 2. The naughty boy throws stones at a dog. Verb. Return. 1. I shall meet him on his return from London. Noun. 2. He will return from Mumbai soon. Verb. Benefit. 1. He is enjoying the benefits of his hard work and honesty. Noun. 2. He invests money in the mutual fund so that he will be benefited in future. Verb. Question 2. Complete the following. A. Our ears are like funnels because there is no door with which you can close them. B. The two rows of teeth are like a fence because every word you speak must pass through this wall of teeth. C. The two lips are like a fence because before a word can be spoken, it has to pass through these two walls. Question 3. Write a brief summary of the story of the young man and his spiritual teacher, making the young man the narrator. Answer: the young man and his spiritual teacher. I went quickly to my spiritual teacher for advice because I had hurt my friend with my harsh and unkind words. I wanted to make amends. My teacher gave me a sheet of paper and a pen and asked me to write all the harsh words I had spoken. When I did so, he asked me to tear it into small bits and then throw them out of the window. When I did that, he asked me to collect as many bits of paper as I could. That was impossible, but I gave a try. But I could not collect a single torn bit. The teacher told me that is what happened with the spoken words. He advised me to think before you speak in anger. Question 4. Translate the following sentences into your mother tongue. A. The first question we must ask ourselves before we speak is it true? Translate. A. आपण काही बोलण्यापूर्वी आपण स्वतःला हे खरे आहे का हा प्रश्न विचारला पाहिजे. B. The second question to ask is, it is pleasant. Translate. B. दुसरा प्रश्न विचारायचा तो म्हणजे ते आनंददायक आहे का? C. The third question according to Socrates is, it is useful. Translate. C. सॉक्रेटिसच्या मते तिसरा प्रश्न असा आहे, ते उपयुक्त आहे का?